In today's video, I want to show you how to speed up a slow iPhone. To speed up a slow iPhone is very simple, and I'm going to be showing you some things, some steps that you have to take to be able to boost the speed rate of your iPhone. So guys, the first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your settings. So let's go to my settings here. So once you get to your settings, I want you to scroll down and tap on general. So let's do that. So once you tap on general, I want you to scroll down and tap on background app refresh. So let's tap on background app refresh. So guys, once you tap on background app refresh, as you can see at the top here, my background app refresh is turned on. Let's just tap on that. If you want, you can turn this off. This means all your applications on this device will not refresh in the background. But instead of turning this off totally, there is something you can do. If you tap the back arrow, it's gonna take you back to this app place. So what you can do here, you can see all my apps are enabled for the background app refresh. So what I want you to do here, I want you to look closely on your apps. You just want to check through to see all the apps that you're not actually using. Just want to turn off all the apps that you're not using. Just turn off the background app refresh on some apps that you know you're not actually using. Just turn it off. So once you turn this off, this will help your phone from slowing to having a higher speed rate. So guys, these are the things that you can do to actually speed up your slow iPhone. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.